So, do you really need to create content to be successful in affiliate marketing, especially when you're just in the beginning? Or can you simply run some paid ads instead? Hey, it's Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and I'm gonna break all of this down for you so that you can be successful in your business. So stick around. Now, as we get into the straight talk about creating content, I just wanna let you know that our channel is all about teaching you effective marketing strategies and helping you build your online business so that you can create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So, do you need to be creating content to be successful in affiliate marketing? While technically, no. There are some ways to earn straight from paid ads. But I will say that to create a stable and thriving long-term business, then absolutely yes, you need to create content. And really, if you're looking to create any type of thriving online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, e-commerce, coaching, paid services, network marketing, whatever it is, content is key to massive success. All right. In the old days of internet marketing, you were able to just slap together a halfway decent ad, throw some money at it, and make money. Okay. But nowadays, paid advertising online is totally flooded. Over the past 6 months alone, even the cost of Facebook ads has skyrocketed with a flooded market. Now, about a year ago, you could get a good ad up and running, maybe for registrants for a webinar, and you could get $3.50 to $4 a lead. Well, now, if you run that same ad, you're looking at getting a registrant for $12 a lead. Totally different world. It makes it really hard for people who are just getting started and who aren't able and capable to eat that kind of loss up front with paid advertising. Plus, after Zuckerberg went before Congress, the platform really started to change and they are super hypersensitive, making it harder to get ads approved and much easier to get your ads account shut down. Now, yes, there are a few people who are still rocking paid ads. Who are they? Why? Because those are the folks that are actually creating content. Like religiously creating content for a long time. They've consistently created content weekly or daily for quite a while, building up an engaged audience, which they can then retarget with paid advertising. So yes, for all real intents and purposes, you need to create content. And you need to understand that not all content is created equal. Some folks mistake something like a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter post, or even a Facebook Live as content, but it's not long-lasting content, guys. Yes, doing that kind of value-based marketing is incredibly helpful to growing an engaged audience that you can use to make sales, generate leads, but it's not evergreen content. Evergreen content is content that you create once, one time, and it works for you for years and years to come. Growing your audience, getting traffic, generating leads, making sales. Now, I know folks who have done this. Imagine doing 50 Facebook Lives over the next month or two. Now, yes, you could definitely gain some traction. You could grow an engaged audience. You can make some sales. You can generate leads. It's awesome. But you have to continue to keep doing them or they're not going to work for you. That video from day 1 is no longer serving you on day 50. Okay? Compare that to doing 50 YouTube videos or even blog posts. Each of those 50 videos have the power to not only grow your audience, generate leads and make sales for a couple days after you post them, like something on Facebook, but each of those 50 videos could continue to do that for you, ongoing, compounding all of your action. There is power in evergreen content, like compound interest. It's an investment in your business that will serve you for years to come. Now, to learn exactly how to start creating content, click in this box in the upper right corner to watch our step-by-step guide to get you taking action and creating content today. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I'd love to have you subscribe because we are here to teach you the most effective strategies to build a successful online business to create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and I'll see you soon.